In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history on Google Drive. If you've been searching for files in Drive and want a fresh start, clearing your search history is quick and helps keep your suggestions tidy, especially on shared or work devices. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your web browser and head to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, look for the grid icon, the Google Apps Launcher. It's the small square made up of dots, usually next to your profile picture. Click that to open the menu of Google Services. From there, select Drive to open your Google Drive. Once Drive loads, shift your attention again to the top right corner. Click the gear icon to access Drive's Settings menu. A small drop-down will appear. Choose Settings to open the main settings window for Drive. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see a navigation area. Select the Privacy section. This is where Google places controls related to activity, suggestions, and how Drive uses your interactions to improve your experience. In the Privacy section, look for the option labeled Manage Search History and click it. That link opens a Google My Activity page focused on Workspace products, which includes Drive. This page shows activity related to your account's searches and interactions. Here, find the Delete option. Click Delete, and you'll see choices for how much to remove. To clear everything at once, choose All Time. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. A couple of important notes so you know exactly what's happening. Deleting your Drive search history removes past searches tied to your signed-in account, which can clean up future search suggestions. It does not delete any of your files or folders. If you use multiple browsers or devices while signed in, this action applies to your account across those devices. You might be asked to verify your identity or sign in again for security. Just proceed as prompted. Also, if you're on a work or school account, some options may be managed by your organization, so the page could look slightly different. After you confirm, your Drive search history will be cleared. If you prefer a lighter cleanup, the same delete menu also lets you pick a shorter time range, like recent activity only. And if the page takes a moment to update, that's normal. Give it a little time. That's it. You've successfully cleared your Google Drive search history. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to follow along as you do it.